problem. Welcome back to ICSE Help YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the quadratic equation in one variable of chapter 5 ICSE class 10 math. The topic include in this chapter root or solution of quadratic equation. What is the root? What is the solution of any quadratic equation? And the second topic, solving by factorization. How can we solve the quadratic equation? There are two methods, by formula and by factorization. So by factorization. And the third topic is the solving by formula. You can solve the quadratic equation by just applying very simple formula. And the third point, nature of root. How can you get your answer without solving? Do not use any quadratic equation formula or factorization, and direct you can get the answer, the nature of the answer. And the last topic is problem on quadratic equation. The daily use problem in quadratic equation could be solved in this chapter 5 quadratic equation in one variable. First of all, we know what is quadratic equation in one variable. Any equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is known as quadratic equation. The degree is 2. Degree is 2 because the highest power is 2. और a, b, c are integer. Where a, b, c ये क्या है? What are integer? Integer. We can solve this quadratic equation by, if there is in the form of equation, it is known as quadratic equation. The value of x is known as root or solution of quadratic equation. This is the first topic, root of equation. The value which satisfies after putting the value of x the equal to this value is known as root or solution of quadratic equation. Taking example, we will discuss it. So that root 2 minus 2 root 2 is the solution of quadratic equation. Let quadratic equation x square plus root 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. And proving that root 2 minus 2 root 2. Root 2 minus 2 root 2 is the solution. How can we prove that root 2 and minus 2 root 2 is the solution of this quadratic equation? Taking LHS, x square plus root 2x minus 4. Putting first of all this and solve it. Let root 2 square, root 2 into root 2 minus 4, 2 root 2 into root 2, 2 minus 4, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0 is equal to RHS. Hence, prove that root 2 is the solution of this equation. Solution or root of the solution. And now we prove that minus 2 root 2 is the solution of this equation. Now, putting minus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 square plus root 2 minus 2 root 2 minus 4. 2 2 ya 4 root 2 into root 2 2 plus 2 into 2 root 2 into 2 4 minus 4 4 to the 8 minus 8 equal to 0 equal to RHS. Hence it is proved that root 2 and as well as minus 2 root 2 both are the solution of this equation. So the first topic is clear. Now the second topic, solving by factorization. Solving by factorization. How can we solve the quadratic equation by the method of factorization? First of all, write the equation in this form, in this fashion, in this design, and then write in this fashion. Write the equation in this form, and second point, multiply constant term c with coefficient of x square. Constant term c with coefficient of x square 8 and find out the result AC. The third point, split AC into two products. Split AC into two products such that the add or subtract of these two is lump sum equal to B. Lump sum equal to B. And the fourth point, grouping by common and taking HCF. Let us start with example of factorization. Solving method of quadratic equation by factorization is very easy. Now we will add x square plus 15 is equal to 26x. First of all, we should write it in this design. Add x square minus 26x plus 15 is equal to 0. Now the equation become as like a quadratic equation. And now multiply 15 into 8. 15 into 8, 120. 120 should be broken in the form of two integer in which add or subtract is 26. 120. 2 6 ja, 2 30 ja, 2 15 ja, 3 5, 5 1 ja, 2 3 ja 6, 5 2 ja 10, 2 ja 20. 20 into 6. 20 into 6 is equal to 120. 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. Which is this? 8x square minus 20x minus 6x plus 15 is equal to 0. 4x is common in these two variables. 2x minus 5. 3 common. 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Again taking common 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5. 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Using zero product rule, if multiply two number is 0, then we can say that one of them is 0, because result is 0. It is only possible if one or another number is 0. If 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5.2 answer. Or 4x minus 3 0, then 4x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 3 by 4 answer. So it is very easy to solve the quadratic equation by factorization. You have read two topics. First of all, what is quadratic equation, and second point, root or the solution of quadratic equation, and the third point, solving by factorization. Now the remaining three topics, solving by formulas, nature of root, and problem on quadratic equation, will be given in our second video of this quadratic equation in one variable. You can visit the icchealth.com to get the solution of quadratic equation in one variable of any ICSE famous publication such as OP Malhotra, R.S. Agarwal, M.L. Agarwal, Concise Kalinam Nayak, or any other famous publication such as Ashish Das Gupta. You can simply visit icchealth.com and visit ICSE class 10 and then select your subject math and visit to the chapter 5 quadratic equation in one variable. Thank you and waiting for second video.